So I wanted to do a video on homework assignments, the homework chart, and all that kind of stuff because it might be a little bit different than you may be used to from 7th grade. So for me, all homework, for starters, is printed on blue paper. So if students or parents see blue paper in their binder with math on it, it's a homework assignment. So at the beginning of every unit, every student is given one of these homework charts. Okay, so this page, it'll say the unit on it and a spot for their name. Then it will list the homework assignments that they will be given during this unit. It'll give the date that's assigned, the topic and name of the homework assignment, and in this column is where I will score the homework assignment. Points are awarded based upon completion. If you look at the bottom of the homework chart, it states that right down here. So if the homework is blank, or if it's something that requires work to be shown and all you have are answers, you did not complete the assignment. That's 0 points. Incomplete would be if you only did half of it, and complete meaning all the questions are answered, there's work supporting your answers, all that good stuff, you get the full 2 out of 2. So as I said, all of the homework assignments for a unit will be listed. When it comes to accepting late homework assignments, there is a fairly strict policy on that. What you will see on every homework assignment is a due date for the study guide. That study guide is due on the day of an assessment. So these dates, for odd periods and even periods, is the last date that you can turn in any of these assignments. So I stay really strict on that. An example of a study guide would be something like this. Study guides are given to students a week before their assessment. And these study guides are designed to mirror or look exactly like their assessment so that students know what is going to be asked of them. You'll notice they are on blue paper, so it is considered a homework assignment. And it's to help you prepare and to study for an assessment. At the top, you will see those due dates. So just like the homework chart, Thursday the 13th odd, Friday the 14th even. And so this date is when this study guide will be collected, as well as any homework assignments that have not already been scored. And that is the final date for these to be accepted. These study guides are also a requirement for any test retakes. So if a student would like to retake an assessment, they must have completed their study guide prior. If it was incomplete or not completed at all, students will be asked to complete the study guide either with myself or on their own time before they do the assessment retake. On the back or the last page of study guides, there is normally an answer key on the back for students to check their work. It just so happens that this one does not have an answer key since it's mostly multiple choice, and I want to make sure that the students are attempting the problems on their own instead of just copying answers from an answer key. I cannot emphasize enough how crucial and valuable the study guides are. They really do help prepare, and more importantly, if there's a question, for example, number 2, you have a really hard time answering question number 2, it gives you something specific to ask me. How do I do this one? Rather than just saying, I don't know how to do anything, or I need help on all of it. So please, please, please take the time. I give you a week. Please, please, please take the time to do your study guides.